In this video, I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Chevrolet Volt from 2011 to 2015, so it's the first generation. Take a flathead screwdriver, and we need to remove this trim first. So try to jam it between the plastic of the shifter bezel and the console, just like that, and unclip gently. Okay, then you can take your hand and remove it completely. It's just held by clips, so it's quite hard to break stuff. Now we have to take the panel that is above. The two bolts are 7 millimeters, so you're gonna have to take a socket and unscrew them. Make sure they don't fall in the dash inside. Here I'm at a scrapyard, I don't mind, but yeah, be careful. And now take your finger and simply pull on the whole panel. You don't need any tools really. Simply using your fingers. If you have two hands, it will be even easier. Here I have to hold the camera, but yeah, pull it enough so we see the connectors on the back. Now it's time to disconnect them. It's very easy. Each connector has a small latch. You see, you need to push and pull to remove the connection, just like that. If you have two hands, again, it will be much more easier than what you're seeing in this video. After you removed the connection here, the panel can sit down, lay down the way it is right now, and the radio is right over here. Again, take the same socket, 7 millimeter, and remove each of these 4 bolts. I already started. I'll do the next ones. And once you have removed these bolts, simply pull out the radio using your hands. And again, you're gonna have some connectors in the back. Same exact concept. They all have a small latch that you need to push and pull the cable out. At the end, you'll be able to hold your radio, take it away, replace it with a new one, do whatever you want, and you simply have to bolt it the same way it was. And this is about it. Put back the panel, clip everything. It's actually not that bad. Some cars are a lot more difficult.